Comment down below your one must-have travel accessory that you have to take with you no matter where you go in the world. For me, it's now this portable hoodie. Yeah, so let's check it out. Starting off with the partner of this video, probably the most sophisticated piece of travel gear you'll ever own, the Friedrik carry-on suitcase. And I'll be the first to admit, it definitely isn't the most affordable luggage you'll find, but it may just be the last one you'll ever need to buy. So instead of just reading the specs, like the fact that it's made of a lightweight polycarbonate shell with some beautiful leather accents and a built-in aluminum frame, I'm going to show you the 5 reasons I think it's worth every single penny. Or, you know, should at least be added to your wish list this holiday season. Starting off with, honestly, the one reason that may convince at least 47% of you, the snap closure locking system. Utilizing a 3-digit combination code to unlock, you simply squeeze and wha-bam. Combine that with the rigid frame as well, accessing all your travel gear has never been so quick and easy. But the real seller, I know you've all experienced the struggle trying to squeeze everything in, align the zipper properly, and trying not to break a nail in the process. Well, now you just do this. No more struggling trying to wrap around the whole bag. You can literally close and lock your bag with 2 fingers. And I know what you're thinking. There's no way that can be more secure than a whole zipper I have to struggle with every time. Which leads me to my next reason, durability. Look, I had the exact same concerns, so I tested it for you. Because we've all seen how luggage gets thrown around at the airport, and I want to make sure that my underwear arrives safe and sound to our destination. So after a few noise complaints from my downstairs neighbor, while there are a few bumps here and there, surprisingly, the locks never gave in, and there are no major functional or cosmetic damage. Cha-ching. Better yet, the 4 Hinomoto luggage wheels, still good as new. And actually the third reason this will probably last a lifetime. Known as the gold standard in wheel manufacturing, these Hinomoto wheels can not only take a beating, but they get back up and continue to roll like butter on hot bread. No matter what the landscape is, it trucks through it without breaking a sweat. So much so, I had to see how far it could actually go. Wow. After all that, still standing confidently. I've never been so impressed in wheels. But anyways, what good is luggage but to hold your gear? So outside of how easy it is to move around and get inside, the organization is the 4th reason. With 40 liters of storage, I'm able to pack a pair of comfy sweats, 2 oversized hoodies, my own towel, obviously, cables, battery, plenty of toiletries without needing a dedicated bag, and more than enough underwear and supplies to last for about a week or so without having to wash. All neatly and tightly packed in, so nothing sliding around. Then, wha-bam. That's it. You're good to go. Now the 5th and final reason has nothing to do with packing. It's this. Dual built-in USB ports right under the handle, which you can plug your own portable battery of choice directly into, so no more having to lug it around in your pocket. Everything you need is right by your side now, making this luggage not only the best looking piece of gear with you, but also probably the most functional too. So if you're interested, details and links in the description down below. So moving on to the next accessory we're packing on every trip from now on, this is the Ostrich pillow hood. Basically, if you imagine a hoodie, but literally just a hood, and surprisingly, that's all you really need. Plus, it's the nice and comfy kind of hoodies you steal from your boyfriend. The beauty of it being just a hood, it can be mixed and matched with any of your outfits, and no one would question that you're wearing a completely separate piece of clothing, which is perfect because if you're like me and love wearing hoodies but sweat all the time, well, this gives you the best part of it all the time. Great for also when you want to just shut the world around you out and focus, or, you know, literally shut the world out by twisting it 180. For those who hate wearing eye masks like myself, but love taking naps, this is it. That soft dual layer material keeps you cuddled while also acting like a lightweight wall that you can take with you wherever you go. If you need a little more cush in the tush though, just stuff a jacket or shirt inside and now you've got yourself a MacGyver travel pillow too. Finally, unlike neck pillows and eye masks that you dread carrying around, you can just wear this out like it's part of your outfit of the day. This one I can easily crown as the best tech, accessory, or anything really organizer. The side-by-side pouch looks like your standard pill-shaped storage case, but it's got this thick yet stretchy material as a secret weapon. Whether it be your MacBook accessories, Nintendo Switch controllers, or camera lens filters, this flexible pocket design can gobble up whatever you throw at it. Yeah, even a full-size round and obscure shaped mouse, no problem. The pocket just swallows it and becomes one with it, leaving plenty of space for other gear too, as the whole pocket expands and conforms to the shape of every item inside. Combine that with the large trusty zipper, your gear ain't going anywhere. However, the feast doesn't end there. Open up the other side and wha-bam. You ain't never seen organization like this before. A slot, pocket, and zipper for every piece of gear. Essentials, chargers, controllers, and more stretchy goodness to fit all the weird and exotic cables you own. And when all packed away, I wouldn't blame you if you thought that you overpacked, but don't worry. It all comfortably crams inside with nothing sliding around and plenty of padding to ensure nothing is damaged either. Plus, since each item has its own slot, jumping into any pocket means you know exactly where each accessory is, as the full zipper design allows for complete access, while the quick access pocket keeps your gear from overflowing, but offers just enough to sneak something in and out before anyone notices. The best part is the pouch only gets as big as the gear you carry inside it, so there's no wasted space. And in theory, you might finally not have to stress about whether you packed enough chargers. I know y'all have experienced this. If you've ever gotten to a hotel, kicked off your shoes, only to realize the carpet feels like it hasn't been washed, like ever. Well, that's when I started to bring my own slippers. Not any cheap ones that may break halfway in either. These are the brown buffalo CobraSleepers. Yeah, even the name makes them sound extreme. Functionally though, they're your standard slippers that you slide your feet in, but the fact that it's made of ballistic nylon cordura with Apex moisture wicking air mesh lining, yes, I read that off the website, but basically your feet will stay dry in these, and they'll be the most advanced pair of floppy slippers you'll ever own. And I now take these wherever I go to satisfy my inner Asian, but also because they're damn comfy. Designed for every occasion, indoors or out, and come on, these are the ultimate techwear slippers you didn't ask for, but now you want to. This is one that everyone needs on the go, a battery pack, and this Anker PowerCore Fusion 10,000 may just be the perfect battery for anyone wanting to carry less. At first glance, it's a portable battery you can take with you, but like all good things in life, flip it around and wha-bam. No more needing to worry about keeping the battery itself charged, because once you get home, you just plug the whole damn thing into the wall, and then it becomes a wall charger while also charging itself. Offering both a USB-A and USB-C port with up to 20 watts in speed, you can charge your iPhone up to 50% within 30 minutes. Better yet, if you're in a rush but want to make sure you're all juiced up, just take the whole damn thing with you and let the battery itself complete the job. Now, I will admit, it's not the slimmest battery out there, but it's still manageable and comfortable in a pocket or sling bag. Plus, given you now have to worry about one less thing, it all comes down to what your priorities are. For me, the fewer things I need to remember to pack, the better. Plus, I can also double it within the luggage battery compartment too. Win-win. Now, for one of the most budget-friendly travel accessories that isn't tech, this is the Aurelle Toob brush. Yeah, a toothbrush, but an all-in-one toothbrush, because when removed, the lid doubles as a rinse cup, and stored within the handle is a refillable bottle of toothpaste. That means without having to deal with large bottles and tubes, you can still take your favorite teeth cleaner with you. The bottle itself is just a tiny version of it with its flexible design and twist-off cap, so although it may seem like such a simple accessory, it's the one that we all take with us traveling, and having your whole toothbrush setup in one container is the ultimate travel hack that costs less than a Big Mac meal. All of that in the size of, well, a regular toothbrush. If this isn't the best budget yet useful travel accessory, I don't know what is. While the side-by-side organizer handles all your small chargers, cables, and tools, we can't forget about the big boy toys. And that's where the MOFT magic wrappers come in. This large towel that feels like a really thick microfiber cloth, aka it's super soft, making it perfect when handling your slightly more expensive items. And while it won't replace a super padded storage container, it does offer plenty of scratch resistance and enough padding to toss it into your bag with other gear confidently. As for the magical part of it all, without any clips or locks to attach, you can simply fold your gear up and it can do this. Yeah, the microfiber locks and sticks to itself like Velcro, minus the very loud noise. Yet when you need to get in, you simply unfold and wha-bam. I'm still surprised every time I use these. You can stack gear together as well and make your own bag out of it, and it does come in 3 sizes, with the largest option offering more than enough space to hold my 13-inch MacBook and then some. So if you like to keep your gear categorized together to just grab and go, the magic wrappers don't discriminate on size and will wrap around whatever you toss inside, making it the most modular, flexible, and universal storage solution that I've used when traveling with my laptop, camera lenses, or just souvenirs that I buy that I'll probably forget about within the next week. Comment down below what accessory theme I should do next, but that's it. I rest my toothbrush.